Hi, good morning, friends. It's your teacher, Miss Amari. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. I miss you guys. Okay, so I'm going to read you a story today. This story is called Oopsie Teacher. Our teacher, Mr. Bungles, is really very cool. He always tries to do his best at school. But even the best teachers can have an oopsie day, no matter how hard they try. Sometimes things just don't go their way. Just the other morning, getting out of bed, poor Mr. Bungles went and bumped his head. Then he took a shower and got soap in his eye. Next, he ate his breakfast and dripped jam on his tie. Oh no. At school, he took attendance and said, "Who is playing tricks? I just counted 5 of you. Now I'm seeing 6." He went to clean out Nibbles' cage. He opened up the door. He had to sneeze and then achoo! Nibbles jumped down to the floor. Mr. Bungles tried to catch him running here, running there. Nibbles jumped from desk to desk and onto Mr. Bungles' chair. In no time, Nibbles slipped away. We quickly followed him down the stairs, across the hall. He was heading for the gym. "Hurry, children, hurry. We must get our hamster back. Look, he's over there. He is jogging round the track." Poor Mr. Bungles didn't see the ball. Poor Mr. Bungles couldn't stop his fall. Oh no, Mr. Bungles fell down. Up again, the chase was on, to the stairs and down. Nibbles had the lead. He was heading for the town. Oh, Nibbles is really running away. We saw him make his getaway. We gasped as he took flight. Our hamster sailed away on the tail of a kite. Wow, now the hamster is on the kite. Do you see him, friends? If you see him, let's point to him. We lost him till we heard the yips. "A hamster's here," cried Tony. Nibbles was at his pizza place. He was nibbling pepperoni. Mr. Bungle sat down with a sigh. He said, "Nibbles, you are smarty. You ran us around till lunchtime. Kids, let's have a pizza party." Yes, that's our Mr. Bungles. We think he's number 1. Even with the oopsies, he makes our school day fun. Alrighty, guys, this is the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys soon.